Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AJ's Kingdom. In this class I am going to continue the topic of anatomy and physiology, that is endocrine system, and from that I am going to take the topic of pituitary gland. This is largest. Already in the early class I mentioned that pituitary gland is the master gland or the largest gland. We can say instead of largest it is a master gland. It is measures very small, but still it controls every system of our body and helps to maintain the stability and equilibrium. That's why we call it as pituitary gland, also call it as master gland. Pituitary gland also call it as master gland, and it is located in the base of the skull, near the hypothalamic region. Base of the skull and near the hypothalamic region, that is the location of the pituitary gland. And here this pituitary gland divisions are, this is very important one. And when you see thyroid pituitary gland, the image looks like so. That means 75% of the gland is anterior portion and only 25% is posterior portion. So 75% is the anterior portion and 25% is posterior portion. And anterior master gland is producing total 5 hormones, and posterior pituitary gland is releasing 2 hormones. This you have to understand very clearly, and then only we can proceed to the next. So anterior pituitary gland is occupying 75% of this thing, and posterior one is 25%. It releases only 2 hormones. Now we will see the classification of hormones in the pituitary gland. What are the hormones are released from the anterior pituitary gland and the posterior pituitary gland? Okay, so classification, when you see, you always prefer to, instead of writing in a paragraph, write it in an arrow way, so that the mark scoring system will be very high compared to when you are writing in a paragraph. So when you know the content, people understand, and when you know the content, you will present it. So automatically they will give the score. Already I told you, anterior pituitary gland releases 5 hormones. Releases 5 hormones, and posterior pituitary gland releases 2 hormones. Okay, leave about posterior pituitary gland. First we will speak about anterior. Anterior one, 5 hormones. Among that, very vital important hormone for our body is thyroid hormone. That is called as a TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Let's call it as a thyroid stimulator. The word itself is saying, when pituitary gland is releasing this hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, it will go to the thyroid gland and it stimulates the releasing of T3 and T4. Stimulate the releasing of T3 and T4. Again, these glands I will give you another explanation, but I am speaking about only pituitary gland in this case. Okay, so it is releasing the TSH hormone, helps in the releasing of T3 and T4. And second hormone is growth hormone. Growth hormone, and it is very important thing, especially for maintenance of our body physique and structure, and the means from the parents what kind of genetics we are receiving, that has to be implemented, means that growth hormone is very very important. And I think you might be seeing in some movies where people are 50 years but very short. That is completely because of the deficiency of growth hormone. Deficiency because it helps in the bone growth, helps in the protein metabolism and fat metabolism and carbohydrate metabolism to maintain the structure, especially helps in bone growth. So if growth hormone is a deficiency, we call it as a dwarfism. We call it as a dwarfism. And if people are increasing more due to excess growth hormone, they look very tall. Very tall means some of the, in Guinness Book you will see, they touch the roof also. Such people are due to excessive growth hormone. That is called it as a gigantism or gigantism. Both pronunciations are same, okay? Gigantism or gigantism, that is growth hormones. Okay, and third one is ACTH. ACTH, it's called as adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. So in the glands I have listed adrenaline gland, right? That adrenaline, so when pituitary gland is releasing this hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, this hormone will go and work on the adrenaline gland to release or to maintain glucose levels and mineral levels. It helps in maintenance of glucose levels and minerals or water balance. The major examples we can say glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, which are released from the adrenaline gland. When this ACTH hormone is stimulating the adrenaline gland will release two things, glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. And these glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids are important for the maintenance of glucose levels, water and mineral levels in the body. And this hormone is a very vital organ, especially during the stress situation. During stress situation, when patient is in a critical situation, then it will give a response of fight or flight. In the early class I said, endocrine system will work with nervous system, and it's a combination. So when this combination is taking place during the critical situation, it will help you to fight or flight. It helps to fight against the critical situation and makes the body balance, or else it helps for the death peacefully. So this is the third hormone. And next one is FSH plus LH. FSH means follicular stimulating hormone. The word itself is saying it helps in the follicles development. Where follicles are present? These follicles are present in the reproductive system of organs, ovaries and testicles. So in the females, it helps in the production and development of ovum, and in the males, it helps in the development of sperm by follicle stimulating hormone. This follicular stimulating hormone is controlled during the early childhood, and at the time of menarche, this is helping and is increasing the levels and helps to attain the menstruation and development of ovum. That is FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. And next one is luteinizing hormone, LH. So when we speak about luteinizing hormone, this also works together for the development of follicles and the secondary sexual characteristics, and helps in work on the ovary and testicles. And 4 completed, and 5th hormone is prolactin hormone. Fifth hormone is prolactin hormone. So this prolactin hormone is very very important. It works on the mammary gland. It's nothing but breast. So it helps. Every human being knows, and especially female structure, you know that we have a breast, but the milk production is not taking place in the normal days. It is only working when mother becomes pregnant, when the progesterone and oxytocins are working, then only the milk production starts developing, and through prolactin hormone only milk production will occur. So that is the 5th hormone. I hope you understood the 5 hormones which are released from the anterior pituitary gland. Thyroid hormone, that is the thyroid stimulating hormone, growth hormone, and ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is on adrenal gland. Then FSH and LH, that is on sex gonads, ovary and testicles. And prolactin hormone in mammary gland, because that's why in the early first class itself I have mentioned what are the glands are included in the endocrine system. Okay, and now when we speak so when we speak about posterior pituitary gland, it is releasing two hormones. That is, first one is anti-diuretic hormone. Anti-diuretic hormone, it is, I will explain you. Here diuresis means helps in excessive urine production, but anti means it fights against excess urine production, and it helps for the reabsorption. It helps for the reabsorption of the water and minerals also, so that our body will maintain a water and electrolyte levels. It is very, very important. If suppose think that ADH is not there in our body, all whatever kidney is filtering, kidney will filter approximately 180 liters per 24 hours. So 180 liters, if it is filtering in a cycle way, then what is happening? If ADH is not there, total fluid will lose and person will die within seconds also. ADH hormone, it helps for the prevention of excess urine loss, and the kidney is filtering, it helps to reabsorb and helps to maintain the fluid and electrolyte balance. This ADH also called as vasopressin. Vasopressin as a first hormone, and second hormone is oxytocin. And everybody knows this oxytocin is important during pregnancy time. It is present, but it is very active during pregnancy time, especially during delivery time. It helps and release the opening of cervix for the delivery of the baby. It helps in the dilatation of the cervix and helps in the contraction of the uterus. So when uterus is contracting very tightly and stretching it back, what will happen? Automatically the cervix will be open and the baby will come out. So that means it helps in the baby expulsion. And second thing, oxytocin also will helps to stimulate the prolactin for the milk production also. This is the important, very, very, very important question. Please, if you write exam in this way, you will get a score full marks. Okay, so that is about pituitary gland. And next class onwards, I am going to take one gland separately. And what is the hormone? What is the function? And if that hormone is not there, what hypo or hyper, what kind of things will happen? I will explain you in detail. If you really like my class, please do subscribe, because anatomy physiology I studied 20 years back. I am taking a lot of effort to give you a in-depth knowledge, because this is not a routinely taught subject, because since my career I am just continuously taking nursing subjects, and we have not dealt about anatomy physiology separately because we have a doctors at college level. But with my personal interest, I am taking a lot of effort for preparation. Please do subscribe and let others also do that. Thank you.